Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Health Claim Exchange to be developed. Recently, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, that is IRDAI, and the National Health Authority or NHA have announced to develop National Health Claims Exchange. This exchange will act as a digital platform for the settlement of health claims. It has also been proposed to set up a working group for this purpose. This group will decide how to attract more people to buy health insurance in India. Now let's discuss about insurance sector in India. The insurance sector in India is huge and growing at a rapid rate of 15 to 20%. Along with banking services, insurance services contribute about 7% to the country's GDP. It provides long-term finance for infrastructure development along with strengthening the country's risk appetite. At present, there are 34 general insurance companies and 24 life insurance companies, including ECGC and Agricultural Insurance Corporation of India. Now let's discuss about IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It was constituted in accordance with Section 4 of the IRDAI Act 1999. It is a regulatory body under the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It aims to enhance customer satisfaction while ensuring the financial security of the insurance market as well as promoting competition, etc. It is tasked with regulating and licensing the insurance and reinsurance industries in India. Now let's discuss about National Health Authority or NHA. It is the successor of the National Health Agency. It was reorganized on January 2, 2019. Its objective is to implement Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana or PMJAY at the national level. Note that it is leading the implementation of the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission in coordination with various ministries and departments of Government of India, state governments and private sector or civil society organizations.